Good morning, everyone. In this session of the subject particulate technology, we will learn about the filtration equipment, what is filtration, and how exactly the principal operation is. So, the content we will learn in this session is the filtration, principles of cake filtration, types of filtration, and the references which have been made on these topics. So, what is filtration? ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮನೇಲಿ ಟೀ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಟೀ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟೀ ಪೌಡರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ tea, a liquid. So what is being retained on the sieve or the filter ಅಥವಾ ಸೋಸೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕೇಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೋದನ್ನ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಪ್ರೇಷನ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಾಲಿಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಟೀ ಪುಡಿನ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇಂದ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So technically we can say that the separation of a solids from a suspension in a liquid with the help of a porous medium ಅಥವಾ screen, which retain the solids and allows the liquid to pass is called as a filtration. ಇವಾಗ ಟೀ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಏನು ಪೋರಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟೀ ಸೋಸೋದು, ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಟೀ ಸೋಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದು ಪೋರಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ವಿಚ್ ರಿಟೈನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ and allows the liquid to pass. Liquid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಟೀ ಬರೋದು, what we drink, the tea is the liquid which is called as the filtrate. And the process of this separation of the solids from a suspension in a liquid, we call it as a filtration process. And also we can define filtration as the separation of a solids from a liquid by means of a porous medium like filter cloth. Okay, the medium retains the solid in the form of a porous cake while the liquid passes through it. So ನಾವೇನು the slurry ಅಥವಾ liquid we use it, which contain the solids with a relatively different quantities that may vary from extremely large quantities to relatively small quantities. So suspension may contain a small or large portions of a solids and valuable product. The valuable product may be a solid or the liquid of both or sometimes none of them. So the driving force here in the filtration depends upon the nature of a suspension. So that again it is a driving force may be categorized into four, depends on the gravity, the vacuum, the pressure, and the centrifugal action. Separation of a suspended impurities from a water, that is the separation of a solids, organic or inorganic material from the slurry, such as calcium carbonate, ammonium sulfate, or the para-nitroaniline, etc., can be done by the filtration process. So what is the principle of filtration? You can see in here, you have a the slurry, you have a filtration equipment here, and the slurry solution is being put here. At the bottom of the filtration equipment, you have the filter cloth. The filter cloth is being supported onto the filter, the mesh, any open support for the filter cloth, any mesh can be used, a wire gauze can be used for the support of the filter cloth. So here, the principle of cake filtration is the feed to be handled is known as a slurry. Whatever the feed ನಾವೇನು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಸ್ಲರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, which is a two-phase mixture in which you have a solid phase and the liquid phase. Phase is nothing but the two different forms which it exists. The two-phase mixture, which is the solid and the liquid. The solid, after the filtration, the solids are deposited on the filter medium or the membrane, and whatever the solids which is being deposited on the filter medium, we call it as a cake. And the clear liquid which is leaving the filtrate, leaving the filter medium, we call it as a filtrate. So during the filtration, initial period of the flow, we say it, the solids particles are trapped within the pores of the medium, forming the true filtration medium. As the liquid passes through the bed of the solid and to the filter medium, so in the early stage of the filtration, the rate of filtration is high. So it means that during the filtration, the solid particles are being trapped inside the porous medium, and they form a true filter medium as the liquid passes through the bed of the solids and also through the filter medium. The itself acts as a sort of a true filter medium. Okay, during the initial stage of the filtration, the rate of filtration is always high. So as the filtration, as the time goes and the filtration goes, there is a building up of the solid that we call it as a cake. So as the cake thickness increases, the rate of filtration decreases for a given pressure difference across the filter medium. So cake form ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ the pores ಎಲ್ಲ block ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So the filtration won't be at a higher rate as the filtration proceeds. It blocks the filter medium. So this is due to the fact that as the cake thickness increases, the resistance to the flow of the liquid increases progressively. So this is about the principle of cake filtration. So filtration equipment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೆಶ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೆಶ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಲರಿ ನಾವೇನು ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಸ್ಲರಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ನ we put it in a filter equipment, and after the process of filtration, whatever the solids which is being retained on the filter cloth, we call it as a cake. So that's why we call it as a cake filtration. And the liquid which passes through the filter medium, that is a filter cloth, we call it as a filtrate. So there are two different types of filtration. So one is cake filtration, the deep bed filtration. Whatever we have studied the principle of filtration, that is a cake filtration. So in the cake filtration, the proportion of the solids in suspension is large, and most of the solid particles are collected in the form of a cake, which can be removed from the filter medium. So suspension li solid concentration ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ the cake, the solids ಏನು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೇಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮಿಂದ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕೇಕ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೀಪ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಪ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ಓಕೆ, and the particles of the solid materials which are in the slurry are being very smaller than the pores of the filter medium. So during the filtration, if the particles of the solid are very smaller than the pores of the filter medium, they will penetrate to a considerable depth and they'll get trapped inside the filter medium. ಏನು ಮೆಶ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ they will be trapped, or it will clog the openings, and usually no layer of the solid will be appear on the surface of the filter medium. So this is about the types of filtration. Cake filtration ಅಲ್ಲಿ the suspension ಅಲ್ಲಿ solid concentration ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೀಪ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ the clogging the openings of the filter medium itself, so that the further filtration may not be so effective. So filters, again it is being divided into clarifying filters and the cake filters. So clarifying filter also called as the deep bed filters, and they are used to remove the small amounts of the solids to get a sparkling clear liquid. And in these clarifying sparkling clear liquid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಲೇಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫರ್ದರ್ ದ ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ effective, and they're usually used in the water treatment. So in the cake filters are used to separate the large amount of the solids in the form of a cake of crystals. So this is about the principle of filtration. What is filtration? And what are different types of the filters are usually being divided into two types of the filters: clarifying filters and the cake filters. For more information, you can use this YouTube link which is being provided here as a reference, and also you can go through the book which is being given here in the table. I hope you have understood from this session of about the filtration, the principle of working of filtration, types of filtration, and the types of two filters. Thank you.